Stop paying for 10 different AI tools. This one website creates images, videos, and even full songs.
Let me show you what this platform actually looks like. See this sidebar? Tap the plus icon. Then choose what you want to do. Let's start with images. Type your prompt here. Select your image model, aspect ratio, image format, and resolution. Tap Generate. Wait a few seconds. And your image is ready. Now tap plus again. Want to edit the image? Select Image Editor. Want to remove the background? Select Cutout. Now move to the video section. I selected text to video. And look at these nodes. Dance 2 is here. It's paid right now, but don't worry. You can watch this video to learn how to use it for free. Also, if you want a completely free option, you can use Kling 3 without any subscription. And it doesn't stop at images and videos. You can add voiceover to any video. Preview the voice before committing.
很高兴见到你。
很高兴见到你。
Set your video and audio levels exactly how you want them.
The city that never sleeps.
But the story doesn't end there. You can generate complete songs from just a text input. I gave it a prompt, and in seconds, it generates a full song. You can also use Kling motion control here, but I'll cover exactly how in my next video. Stay tuned. Now, you came here for a reason. That platform is called Roboneo. And this isn't the only platform where you can access all these models. Hit the video on screen to explore even more AI tools and platforms.